It's raining. Look it, it's raining. And you can't see anything. So we'll go outside and look at the rain. I like rain. Okay. See the rain? Isn't that pretty? That's party colors. Ugh. Ooh, I should go for a walk in the rain. I'm going to. I'm going to go take a little walk in the rain. And, because I have my sweater on. I got my pants on. I just have to go put my boots on and get my umbrella. And I have my hat on. I'm gonna go for a walk in the rain, but I can't get my hair wet because I'm going to McCooney's tonight. Having the Marilyn Monroe. The fuck? My brother's walkie-talkie is going off. I don't know how to turn it off. That was weird. Okay, bye.